Creative Park. Expect the unexpected. Hello, welcome to Blender 2.82 Built-in Addons Part 2. Number 6, Blender Kit. Blender Kit is an add-on to get access to free models, materials, and brushes. To activate the add-on you need to sign up, which takes to Blender Kit URL. Create an account and activate by pressing login directly in Blender Kit settings or profile tab in Blender Kit panel. Your API key will appear on the bottom of this page after registration. To download the model, click on the image to load in your scene. It depends upon the internet speed to download a model. Select the models from the given categories. Both free and paid models are listed in View 3D panel. Now, let's apply a material to mesh. By grabbing the selected material from the Blender Kit panel and drop on the active mesh. Start using Blender Kit to become a creator. You can upload your models to become a creator. For more details, check blenderkit.com/creators. Number 7, A.N.T Addon. A.N.T Addon creates landscapes and planets using various noise types. A.N.T stands for Another Noise Tool. By clicking the Landscape button in Create, View 3D panel. Adjust your mesh in Last Operation panel to design your mesh. Select from operator presets given below. Let's see few examples from the operator presets. Mountain, lake, and a planet. Now, let's create a quick bridge and river using the add-ons we gone through in this video. Number 8, Sapling Tree Generator. This add-on creates trees and renders the realistic trees. From the Last Operation panel, load preset submenu which contains different kinds of trees. Let's select with Dow Glass, Fir from presets. Importantly, do not use Ctrl+Shift to undo. The tree mesh gets deleted. When creating your tree, it's often best to use the settings in order until you're familiar with them. Press the Show Leaves checkbox, and you will see leaves on the tree. Armature. This submenu contains the settings to add an armature to your tree. The armatures can be used in animations. Press play animation to play back in the viewport. Number 9, Archimesh. This add-on is specially designed to generate architectural tools. Let's start by creating walls. Increase the wall thickness to 2.4 and 2.20. Increase number of walls to 4. Click the checkbox to close ceiling and floor. Now, let's create a door and a rail window. Repeat the same process to fix the walls in the first floor. Let's fix a panel window. As we can see, the walls are still closed. Let's fix it by attaching holes in the wall mesh. Carefully select the black outline mesh and shift select the wall. Click the auto holes from room tools from Archimesh submenu. Number 10. Bolt Factory. This add-on creates bolts and nuts. With options. Menu to select bit type and head type. To create bolt, from Add drop-down menu in the viewport. Add mesh. From the last operation panel, select the model and type of bolt and nuts. Thank you. See you soon in next video with current Blender 8.2 add-ons. Subscribe, hit the notification bell.